life. 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 Wonderful life. Being born as human, it's a boon. Being born as human is the most fortunate thing. Close your eyes. Imagine a new person who is there in you, who is a stranger till today, who is residing in you, who is just living in you, who is awaiting for you, for your interaction. My dear sons, life is so beautiful. Our mother has given this valuable life. She had gifted us, bearing all pains, sharing all blood, sharing all flesh and bones, allowing us to stay in her womb for 9 months, bearing the life and death stays at the time of delivery, bared the labor pains like anything in this world. We all must love her for her sacrifice. My dear friends, never be angerful on mother. Never fed up with mother. Never allow any disgustness, any hatred towards our beloved, godly, divinely mother. Father, my dad, who had given this wonderful body, Dad, it is you who gifted me. The warmth blood of Dad, the sweat and the care and the share and the feel of our beloved Father, which acknowledge in our every development and improvement. We are indeed blessed, indeed so grateful to our beloved parents. My dear friends, there is a person within you who is holding all these divine thoughts. Never leave that person. That person is not ordinary. That person is not general. That person is unique and extraordinary. That person is nothing but the form of God. That person knows all good and bad, right and wrong, light and dark. He knows everything of us. He is nothing but the form in a formless way. We ignore him or her. We don't even bother about that wonderful personality which is staying right in our soul. At this very best moment, at this very marvelous moment, let us all have a simple interaction with that person. He will carry his thoughts. He will carry his ideologies. He will carry his objectives. He will teach us everything. He will preach us. He will set right us. He discriminates He tells what is good, what is bad, what to do and what not to do, what to see and what not to see, what to listen and what not to listen, what to speak and what not to speak, and how to behave and how not we should behave. Everything is being said by Him. But till today we are not in a position to listen to those wonderful teachings, love, values of that beautiful inside person that is your and my, our conscience. Buddhi, buddhi, buddhi. Just kiss that discrimination power inside your heart. Don't open your eyes. Rub it. Rub your hands. Put it on your eyes. Just once see your mother and father in the palm. Kiss them. Clap for them for the wonderful life that they have gifted. Something more for them. Thank you.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.